We started out with Joran welcoming everybody in the family, because this is a family. And everybody introduced themselves, because most of us had never met each other. And then we went on to answering the first question of why is it important for each one of us to be here. And the main things that came out of that were to connect or reconnect, to belong, to inspire, and to have fun. Aha! Does that remind anybody of something? Basic human needs, maybe? So that was very good. Then we went on to building that tree, which Melinda is going to tell you about.
So the afternoon was starting with a storytelling session where different people shared their personal MSLS highlight and how the MSLS experience contributed to who they are right now and what they are doing. And then we harvested these contributions to their present selves. I would like to give you just a few ideas back. We have been talking about the paradigm shift that started in that year, the open-minded way of working together, creating the safe container, and finding the balance between the new paradigm and also living in the existing system, which cannot change the same way as we are changing within 1 year. And then we went into a word cafe, and we moved more from the personal experiences towards the collective experience, and we moved from the I to the we. And one of our questions was, what is the MSLS collective potential is? What do we see? Where is the potential lying? And I would like to give you back a few words of yours. We said it's important to nurture without being forceful, and it is actually amazing to work together with other MSLS people because there's this instant click of a shared mental model that you don't need to explain yourself, and it's just really easy to work together. Nevertheless, there was also a need voice there that there are not so many collaborations within the MSLS family, and it would be really nice if we can be more conscious about it. People have voiced also a need to connect to people in a deep and more personal level, and maybe this can be also in the shape of a platform. It's one of the interesting quotes was, we all work locally and we need to find our tribe locally, but the support system needs to be globally. So this family here, this week here, is about creating that support system and how can we strengthen the ties among each other. And then we went over to what are the capacities that we can build to create to realize the potential of the collective, and Alex will tell you about it.
Yes, I just forgot to mention that between fika and lunch we had great games, very well organized. I mean, to play games with 100 people, it was very fun, very energizing and inspiring. So then we went on to the World Cafe, and the group came out with what capacities we feel are needed to go on. And very clear is the need to network. And then there was a lot of discussion on how to do the networking and what is needed to be, what functionalities need to be present in the networking. Like one platform, two platforms, how we should go about in structuring this. The collective guidelines that came out were like a lot of, it is clear that we need to co-create a lot and to collaborate a lot. and to become a community of practice. That is also something that came out a lot. And have shared principles and practices. There's a lot about identifying the needs that are scalable. Of course, that is very important to be able to scale everything that we do and enhance visibility. To make success visible, also to make failure visible, to be able to learn from failure, and the concrete actions. Somebody here, I'm not going to say her name, suggested a biannual conference.